Hey guys, it's a few days later now. The car has come back from the paint shop after being polished, and I think you'll agree with me, it looks damn good. Got a nice shine on it now. All the little nibs in the paint are all taken care of, so it is looking bloody good. Anyway, on Saturday I took the wheels away and I had the tires fitted and then balanced, so those are now ready to go on. The car's booked in for wheel alignment tomorrow, so I need to go ahead and get the wheels on. I've got to obviously drive it down there, so the little things like the mirrors, the door handles, the indicator lenses, the windscreen wipers, the minor bits and pieces that were left off for the polishing now need to all go back on. Get the wheels on, then we can drive it down there, and number plates as well. The disc on the car is, the license on the car is actually expired, so we're going to have to drive it down on a temporary. So the plan of action will be get it to the wheel alignment. Once the wheel alignment is done, then the car should be good for roadworthy. If we can get it through its roadworthy test, then obviously we can pull a new license on it to get the new number plates for it. And at that point, then it's on my name and I can drive it. So then I can, instead of driving it around on temporaries the whole time, I can just drive it around normally and then go get it valeted. All the stuff that it'll pass roadworthy with. Like if the seats are dirty, it'll pass. We can tackle that stuff after we've done the roadworthy and got the thing on the road. So that's going to be the plan of action. Let's get it on the road as quickly as we can, because now the outsourced work needs to happen. So yeah, that's the plan. So anyway, I'm going to get you guys on time lapse, and we're going to crack on and get all the little bits and pieces on and get the wheels on. Anyway, let me hit it. There you go guys, the passenger side of the car is assembled. I have everything here except the door handle for the rear door. I forgot that in the accident that actually got broken, and I thought I had a spare here, but when I went to go look, it was actually a front one, so I'm going to have to order one of those in the morning. But yeah, we put the indicator on, the mirror, the front door handle, the rear trim, and then obviously I couldn't put the door panel on and then along with all the accessories because the mirror needs the adjuster to come through the door here. So once the mirror was on, we put that on and then assemble the whole lot on this side. As you can see, that side now is still needing to be done. So, but for today, I'm going to take this side of the car is complete. The only thing that I'm still waiting for, like I said earlier, is the center caps, which are being painted. So we'll get those in the next day or two, and then that rear door handle, which I need to order in the morning. So if we waddle over this side of the car, yeah, we'll get cracking on this side now and make it mirror the other side, and then we're good for wheel alignment in the morning. As you can see here, most of the stuff's on the side here. One issue, for some reason this is an aftermarket fender and the light doesn't actually slot in there. I'm gonna have to file that edge there just to get this thing in, so it won't fit properly. Strange, both front fenders are aftermarket, and the one on that side fitted no issue, the one on this side doesn't fit. So anyway, that's what happens when you get parts from Taiwan. Wipers are on, mirrors on, door handles on the back, arches on, wheels are on. The door handle here is lying on the dashboard, as you can see over there. The key doesn't open it. Yeah, I don't know if they had a separate key. Sometimes what the guys do is the door handles break, they buy replacement ones, and the replacement ones comes with its own key. And instead of just taking the barrel out of the original door handle and swapping it, the guys just bolt the new ones in and then run multiple keys. And I've seen customers bunch of keys. Sometimes there's a key for this, 2 keys for this door, 2 keys for that door, 2 keys for the ignition, and then the ignition and the hatch have the same key because they hardly ever break that one. So you end up with this mop of like 3 keys just to open one car. It's ridiculous. But anyway, I'm not a big fan of that, so what I'm going to do is I've kept the door handle out and I'm going to recode the barrel to the original key so that the car only has 1 key, the way it's supposed to be. So anyway, that'll be the mission there. So yeah, at this point the car is good enough to drive down to the alignment center once the number plates are on. So I'll just pop those on in the morning. I'll get some double-sided tape for that, and then yeah, take it down to wheel alignment. Because I've driven it down to the paint shop, which is about back from the paint shop to the paint shop, whichever, and that's about 300 meters up the road, and it was very scary to drive it down there because every bump you hit, the thing wants to climb off the road because the alignment is that far out. So I kind of just gave it an eyeball alignment, and it's a lot better. So it'll make it the 4 or 5 kilometers down to the alignment center now, a lot safer. So I'll probably be able to drive the 60 kilometer speed limit to get there without having to change my underwear multiple times. So that should be decent, and then obviously that they can get it perfect and into factory spec. But anyway, I'm gonna crack on with that tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll just throw the plates on and take it down. So it's getting near completion. I'm getting excited. It's Wednesday now, so hopefully if they can sort out the alignment tomorrow, maybe we can still get the roadworthy done. Friday's a bit of a crazy day. I got some other projects on the go as well, so some of that stuff needs to get finalized as well. So yeah, I might be a bit tight to get it done this week, but anyway, early next week we're gonna get this thing on the road, and then yeah, on to the next project after that. But anyway, let's get this one finished first. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Okay, we're on the road and we're out of the industrial park. So it's the first time this car's been driven out the industrial park. Yeah, the most it was driven was down to the paint shop, it was like 300 meters. So it actually doesn't run too badly. There's no vibrations, there's no funny wobbles. I'm quite impressed considering the alignment's badly out. So yeah, should be interesting. We get, like I said, we're going down to the graphics guys just to get the measurements all done for the stickers, and then off to wheel alignment. So yeah, let's get it done. The next day, as you can see, I've got everything on, plates on, all the door handles and everything I'll put on. The only thing missing is the side indicator lens, which is not fitting so lacquer. But anyway, that's that. I put the other door handles and everything on. So I'm going to head down to the number one, the filling station, because this thing is running on the smith of an oil rag. So I need to get down and get some gas in it, and then we're off to. I'm going to stop by the graphics guys, or the sticker guys, the original stickers on the car. Obviously I had to pull off when I sprayed the car, so I want to see if they can print up a new set for me, and then from there we're heading to wheel alignment. So anyway, I'm going to jump in the car and get going.